Welcome back, children. In the previous classes you must have learned about multiplication. Now in this module we will learn properties of multiplication. The product of two numbers does not change when the order of the numbers is changed. For example, 15 into 13 is equal to 13 into 15, that is 195. So here if we change 13 and 15 place, there will be no effect on the product. In the same way we have another examples. 7085 into 58 is equal to 58 into 7085. 45679 into 12 is equal to 12 into 45679. When we change the order of numbers, there is no impact on answer. Second property, the product of three numbers does not change when the grouping of the numbers is changed. For example, 28 into 43 are in the bracket, so they will be multiplied and their product will be multiplied with 10. That will be equal to 43 into 10, where first of all we will multiply because they are in bracket, they are grouped, we will get 430 and that will be multiplied with 28. So in both the cases the product will remain same. Another combination we have is 28 into 10 multiplied and the product will be multiplied with 43. So in each case the product will remain same. So here 28 into 43, 43 into 10 or 28 into 10 will be multiplied first and then they will be multiplied with other numbers in the sum. In the same way 485 into 58 first will be multiplied, then their product will be multiplied with 25, and in second 58 into 25 and their product will be multiplied with 485. Another combination again here is 485 into 25 into the third number. Third property, the product of a number and 1 is always the number itself. For example, 15 into 1 and 751 into 1 will get 751. 45679 into 1 will get 45679. So when we multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. So whichever number, however it is, if we multiply by 0, we get 0 as the answer. So 15 into 0 0, 751 into 0 is equal to 0, 45,679 into 0 is equal to 0. So here we can see that in all the cases we have got 0 as an answer. Product of a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's have some examples. 50 into 10 will get 150. 751 into 100 will get 75,100 and 45,679 multiplied by 1000 we get 45679 000. So here did you notice the pattern? Here when we multiplied by 10 we have added 1 0 in 15, when we multiplied by 100 we have added 2 zeros, when we have multiplied by 1000 we have added 3 zeros. This is how we multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000. Now we have some examples. Let's do multiplication. Here we have the numbers 5634 and we are multiplying it by 78. So first of all we will multiply 8 by 4. So 8 4s are 32, 2 we will write down and 3 will take as a carryover, it will go on the top. Then 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 7 will write and 2 we will go on the top. Again 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 2 50, 0 will be written here and 5 will go on the top, and 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 5 45. So, first of all we are multiplying 5 6 3 4 by 8 and we have got 45072. Now we will multiply by 7. Actually we are multiplying by 70 because place value is 70. So we will put a 0, then we will start multiplying. First of all we will multiply 7 by 4. So 7 4s are 28, 8 will be written here and 2 will go on the top. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2 23, 3 will be here written and 2 will be going on the top. 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 2 44 and 4 will be there on the top. Then 7 8s are 56, sorry 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4 39. So the answer will be 439452. Another example, now we will multiply 7842 by 306. First of all we will multiply by 6 to 7842 and the answer will get 47,052. Now next number is 0. When we will multiply by 0, we will get 40 and 0's place value is 10. So we will put one more 0. So total number of zeros will be 5. Now we will multiply by 3. After multiplying by 3 to 7842, we will get 2352600. Actually 3's place value is 300, so we have written 2 zeros. And after adding them, we will get 2399652. Here we can see that the number of 0 does not have any effect on answer. So we can do it other way. 7842 into 306, so we will get 47052. We can skip the multiplication with 0 and will directly write down 2352600 and answer will be same in both the cases. Now I hope you have understood the properties of multiplication.